Welcome back to the Studio Backdrops YouTube channel, where we talk about photography, videography, and so much more. Today, we're here to talk about TwistFlex Backdrops. So what are TwistFlex Backdrops? They are a collapsible and portable backdrop that you can take and set up anywhere you want. They come in a small bag like this, but expand to a full-size backdrop like that. This is what a TwistFlex backdrop looks like folded. And completely opened. So where exactly can you use a collapsible backdrop? It is the perfect tool for shooting on location. The biggest flex of a TwistFlex backdrop is that it vastly decreases the amount of space you need for your setup. Not only is it great for photo shoots, but it is the preferred choice for streamers and vloggers worldwide. You can use a collapsible backdrop for quick and easy chroma keying, talking head videos, and even for your podcast. Now let me take you through the product itself. We have multiple different kinds of TwistFlex backdrops, but there is one common thing in all of them. Each TwistFlex backdrop has a distinct color and texture on either side. Now let's talk about the construction quality of our TwistFlex backdrops. It's made of a spring steel frame that is both durable and flexible. It means that you can bend it to any shape that you want, and it quickly takes back its original shape. It is lightweight, which makes it extra portable, and the spring steel frame keeps the fabric taut, which makes sure that there are absolutely no wrinkles. Our TwistFlex backdrops are available in 3 distinct sizes: 4 feet wide by 5 feet height, 5 feet wide by 6 feet height, and 6 feet wide by 7 feet height. The 4 feet by 5 feet TwistFlex backdrop is perfect for talking head videos, or when you're sitting down on a chair and you want a backdrop behind you. You can also use it in very close-up shots where you don't need to see a lot of the space behind your subject. 5 feet by 6 feet backdrop is perfect for portraiture. So if you ever need to take a backdrop with you to an on-location shoot, the 5 feet by 6 feet is the perfect size for going to a location and clicking the perfect portraits. Now for our biggest size, the 6 feet by 7 feet backdrop. You can shoot solo portraits or even multiple people here. Recently, we have noticed that this size has become a big hit amongst event photographers who like to set it up as a photo booth at events and weddings. We recently expanded our range of TwistFlex backdrops to 4 distinct categories: solid cotton, solid polyester, mixed, and reversible. Let me now explain what each of these categories is. The solid cotton TwistFlex has 165 GSM cotton fabric on each side. The solid polyester consists of 2 175 GSM polyester fabrics on either side. The mixed TwistFlex backdrop has a textured cotton fabric on one side and a solid cotton fabric on the other side. Both of these fabrics are 165 GSM cotton. The reversible TwistFlex backdrop is made entirely out of one reversible mottled fabric, which makes it much lighter than all the other TwistFlex backdrops. Now, if you're concerned about the pros and the cons of each of these different categories of TwistFlex backdrops, let me tell you that you have nothing to worry. You will get the exact beautiful result with each and every one of these TwistFlex backdrops, no matter what you pick. Since it can be folded down to 1/4 of its original size, the TwistFlex backdrop can be taken anywhere and set up. For a quick and easy setup, All you need is a light stand and a reflector clamp like this. Your setup is done. Because the frame is so sturdy, you can even use your TwistFlex backdrop without a stand. Just prop it up against a wall and you're ready to shoot. If you ever want to use your TwistFlex backdrop horizontally, you can do so by mounting the backdrop on a backdrop stand like this using the loops on the side. Let me show you how. Your horizontal TwistFlex backdrop setup is now ready. Now, let me show you how to fold a TwistFlex backdrop. We begin by turning it on its side like this. Then grab the TwistFlex backdrop from two sides like this and pull it towards you. You will see that both the sides collect together here. Use one hand to hold them while you use your other hand to pull up the bottom. Once they are together, make sure that all the fabric is gathered at the center and make any adjustments. Once it looks like it's all together, your TwistFlex backdrop is ready to be stored in its bag. Always store your TwistFlex backdrop back in its case. While storing it for long term, make sure not to put any heavy weights on the TwistFlex backdrop because it may damage the backdrop. Important tip: alternate folding your TwistFlex backdrop from the other side to make sure it retains its shape. If you see, I folded it this time from the loop side. Now, the next time, just do it from the opposite side like this. Folding a TwistFlex backdrop is easy. The frame may be sturdy, but applying too much force can cause it to break. Thank you for watching our video. If you still have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And please like, share, and subscribe if you want more such videos in the future. And I hope you now have a better understanding of our TwistFlex collapsible backdrop.